Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Calendly with Salesforce for opportunity scheduling, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the Integrations section on the left sidebar. In the Integrations menu, locate the Salesforce option and select it. Click on the Connect button to initiate the Salesforce integration. You will be prompted to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you will be asked to allow Calendly access to your Salesforce. Review the permissions and click Allow. After successfully connecting, return to your Calendly settings. Next, configure your event types by selecting the event you want to schedule. Scroll down to the Notifications and Cancellation Policies section. Find the option to integrate Salesforce with this specific event. Toggle the switch to enable Salesforce integration for the event type. In the fields provided, map your Calendly event to the correct Salesforce opportunity properties. Ensure you specify the desired Salesforce account and opportunity status. Once your mappings are set, click the Save button. Test the integration by creating a test event in Calendly. Schedule the test event and complete the process to create a new opportunity in Salesforce. Go to your Salesforce account and navigate to the Opportunities tab. Verify that the opportunity has been created with the correct details. For any adjustments, return to the Calendly event configuration as needed. This completes the integration process between Calendly and Salesforce for opportunity scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.